night, everyone. No, it's not a good time because when you lose someone or you go through certain stuff when you're gonna miss some, you have some people. Sorry. My God. Uncle Donald. Uncle Donald. I'm not gonna lie. Enough man in the wake up with all kind of problem. And when you look at Donald Trump tweet, when you go on CNN and sit down on his name, nothing now go up on the TV, days of our life now go on with nothing. God, oh, Donald. Belly, me I go miss him. Enough time Donald Trump as a president. We call some little word where you know as a president. Enough time me hear Obama call some word where you wonder where I say. But if you know say one thief in a White House, you can't look, one day me hear Donald Trump call one country shit house. If you know say one ghetto fabulous in the White House. When you look at Melania face, she favor board. Me just go miss them, me know say. Me go just mix a little mix up. If you lick Donald Trump in my cloth your back. You're no business man, no president. Oh, God, I feel it. Joe Biden never have to do this. Kamala never have to do this. But me know better days are coming. And Joe Biden me mark down the whole and promise them. But me know say things will look better. Understand, apart from the mix up and the scandal. I just miss Donald Trump and we know say no for no. No for no, I go talk to things. But enough time Donald Trump says something and he cheer we up and we laugh. You know, say one crumb bug in a White House. Maybe. Oh, Donald Trump. Uncle Donald. Oh, me feel it. Pass some water for me. And give me 2 pressure pills. Oh, you for name saying and I go sit down pan. Enough time. Donald Trump will call some word where you know. When you see a president can call some word, when you see a president, it's like a ghetto fabulous or somebody where you sit down and play bingo with us. When you look and see, we're going to miss it. Look at Donald. At least when me that says it, if him go to federal prison, right? Ask me, I don't really know. We will hear anything from him. Him go still have him phone. I don't know.